Hi, I'm Colleen, and I work on the veg crew.
Hi, I'm John. I also work on the veg crew.
Roy's Redwoods is under restoration, right where a bunch of sword ferns are.
Sword ferns are challenging to grow, which is why MCP is preserving them in our nursery.
Since their home is getting remodeled, they need a place to crash for a little, so we've created Fernlandia.
We potted these sword ferns in cloth pots so they can keep their roots comfy. We also gave them haircuts so they can focus on keeping their roots alive. We're taking care of them in our nursery.
And replanting them when restoration is complete.